So we are on our practical session for the if statement and if else statement. So now let's begin our program. So hash include, that's the preprocessor derivative, then you bring your less than, then the IO stream as input or output stream. And then you close using a namespace std. So using namespace from the standard library, then you terminate. So your int main, that's the function. You bring your parentheses, then you open curly braces. So inside the curly braces, that's where you do everything inside. So let's bring our return 0. So now we learn about if statement and if else. So if, so let's say you want to know if you are you can vote or you can't vote. So first of all, you need the person's age. So now let's declare age. So int age. So we are declaring our age. So int age. So now for a person to vote, he or she must be 18 years and above. So let's say age equals 18. Sorry. Equals 18. Don't forget your termination sign, or let's say termination operator. Yes. So now the if statement, or let's say if else. So if, then you don't forget your parentheses, then your statement. Your statement can be, let's say, okay, let's say the condition. Yeah, condition. So the condition is if, let's say, age is less than, so let's bring our less than 18. So these are conditions. Then you bring your curly braces. So if age is less than 18, you should output. So see out is for output. Then your session operator. Then your double quotation, because this is a statement, so you put in the double quotation. But when it was, let's say, we're adding, that one there doesn't need double quotation. It's like you're adding numbers. Yes. So double quotation. Then let's say you can vote. So to output, you you can't vote. Sorry. So if your age is less than 18, then you can't vote. Then you terminate. Nice one. So this is the if statement. So now you want to do if else statement. So if else statement. So for example, we add else to it. So that's if else statement. And then you open your curly braces. So then you output. So if age is less than 18, that means that you can't vote, or else you can vote. So else output, you can, sorry, session greater than you can. you can vote. Then you close your quotation. Then you terminate. So this is how the if and else statement is. So now you want the user to enter his age, so that if his or her age is less than 18, that means that the person can vote. But if the age is greater than 18, the person can vote. So now we are about to allow the user to enter his age. So we use see out, but we use see in for the input, but we use out see out for the output. Yeah. So let's say, so please enter your age. Then you close. You want to insert a new line. So if you want to insert a new line, is you bring your insertion operator, then end L, then you terminate. Or you can choose to do backslash and then you terminate. Then you take the input, like you allow the user to input his age. So we use cin. Cin is for input together with the extraction operator. So age, then you terminate. So now let's output. Okay, they are saying error. Error expression. Okay, let's use and okay, I'm coming. Let's use and L. Yes. To move to the next line. So now they said I should enter my age. So I'm 45. So now 45, I'm above 80, so I can vote. So let's say I'm 6 years. See, I'm 6 years. See, I can't vote. So this is how the if and else statement is. So thank you for listening. Thank you.